Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to provide you 15 MCQs from the unit that you're seeing on your screens. This is our sixth time revision of NCERT biology that we are doing right now, and this time also we are doing it unit wise. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. The year 1900 AD is highly significant for geneticists due to discovery of genes, discovery of linkage, chromosome theory of heredity, or rediscovery of Mendelism. Which of the following event took place in 1900 AD? So the correct answer is option D, rediscovery of Mendelism. Question number 2. F1 generation means first flail generation, first seed generation, first flowering generation, or option D, first fertile generation. F1 generation means. The correct answer is option A. It means the first flail generation. Question number 3. Skin color is controlled by single gene, 3 pairs of gene, 2 pairs of gene, or option D, 2 pair of genes with an intragene. Skin colored is controlled by. The correct answer is option B. It is controlled by 3 pair of genes. Question number 4. Which of the following cross will produce terminal flowers in garden pea? Terminal flowers. So the correct answer is option C. That is capital A small a crossed with a capital A small a flower will produce terminal flower in garden pea. For answering such questions, you need to know which of the traits of the garden pea, of those 7 traits, is dominant and which one is recessive. Question number 5. The genotype of a plant showing the dominant phenotype can be determined by genotype of a plant showing a dominant phenotype. Test cross, dihybrid cross, pedigree analysis, or back cross. So the correct answer is option A. By doing a test cross, we can find out genotype of a plant which is showing us a dominant phenotype. Question number 6. Which one of the following pair of codons is correctly matched with their function or the signal for the particular amino acid? UUA, UCA both code for leucine. GUU, GCU code for alanine. UAG, UGA are stop codons, or AUG, ACG, they are start or methionine codons. So the correct answer is option C, UAG, UGA. These are stop codons. There are a total of 3 stop codons and you need to know what are their genetic codes. Question number 7. The wings of a bird and wings of an insect are homologous structures and represent convergent evolution, homologous structures and represent divergent evolution, analogous structures and represent convergent evolution, or phylogenetic structures and represent divergent evolution. Wings of bird and wings of an insect are. The correct answer is both are analogous structures and they are representing convergent evolution. Question number 8. In his classic experiment on peas, Mendel did not use which of the following were not one of the traits used by Mendel? Flower position, seed color, pod length, or seed shape. So the correct answer is option C. Pod length was not used by Mendel as a trait for his experiment. Question number 9. In human females, meiosis II is not completed until birth, puberty, fertilization, uterine implantation. When does meiosis II occurs in the egg? So the correct answer is at the time of fertilization. Question number 10. A pleiotropic gene controls multiple traits in an individual, is expressed only in primitive plants, is a gene evolved during Pliocene, controls a trait only in combination with another gene. A pleiotropic gene is. So the correct answer is option A. It controls multiple traits in an individual. Question number 11. An abnormal human baby with XXX sex chromosome was born due to formation of abnormal ova in mother, fusion of two ova and one sperm, fusion of two sperm and one ova, formation of abnormal sperm in father. Which of the following could be a possible cause for triple X sex chromosome in a baby? The correct answer is option A, due to formation of abnormal ova in mother. A ova that contains two eggs when fused with a sperm carrying eggs will result in triple X sex chromosome. Question number 12. Which of the following is non-heritable, which cannot be inherited? Point mutation, chromosomal mutations, gene mutations, or somatic mutations? So the correct answer is option D. Somatic mutations, they are not heritable, means they cannot be passed on to the offsprings. Question number 13. Which one of following has its own DNA? Mitochondria, dictosome, lysosome, or peroxisomes? Which of the following organelle is having their own DNA? So the correct answer is option A. Mitochondria has its own DNA. Question number 14. In which condition gene ratio remains constant in a species? Gene flow, mutation, random mating, or sexual selection? In which condition the gene ratio remains constant in a species? Correct answer is option C, during random mating. Question number 15. Which of the following amino acid is the pioneer in formation of polypeptide chain in protein synthesis? So which of the following amino acid is coded by a start codon? Methionine, leucine, lysine, or glycine? So the correct answer is option A, methionine. And you need to know the code of methionine. What is it? AUG. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs from the next unit of NCERT biology. So do read all the chapters up of that unit before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. And if you're finding these MCQs helpful in your NEET preparation, then don't forget to share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow at this very channel, this very time. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.